Howdy kids, it's Manic Mark coming to you today with the Ballad of Uncle Grumpy. I haven't done this thing in a video all the way through ever, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages long, and 1 times 7 equals, it's way long, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I don't even know if I can get through it, but what I'm gonna suggest here is about halfway through, even though I'm still like trying to sing this thing, you just go in the kitchen and make some popcorn for yourself. I don't like much and I'm not much fun. I really don't have any idea. It's been so long, I'm gonna screw it up, but what do you expect from one of my videos? I'm a big screw up. Okay, there you go. Uncle Grumpy comes down. Start that over again. How am I going to do this? I can't do this way. I got to put this all together. This is just way too much. It's like a giant story. How should I? There's got to be a better way to do this. Maybe like the Edmund Fitzgerald, that song that went on forever, ever and ever. This is like way longer than 1 times 7 equals. I don't like much and I'm not much fun. Rain clouds follow me and blot out the sun. I'm a grouchy old man with a grouchy old face. So take your good cheer, get out of my place. My room is so small and my rent is so high that I can't pay the landlord, horse grimly fly. Oh, Uncle Grumpy, I've listened enough. You can't pay the rent, so move out with your stuff. It's very hot and sweaty. It's going to be very hot. They're going to be very hot and sweaty. Landlords are going to be hot and sweaty today. It's going to be 100 degrees today. Landlords are going to be very hot and sweaty, throwing all your crap out onto the street. So I packed up my suitcase, but where will I go? No one likes me and I've run out of dough. Then there at my door, what can it be? It's a letter I found. It's addressed to me. Where do I go? You cannot buy brown underwear anywhere unless it's military spec underwear. And why buy brown underwear? Why is that important? Dear Uncle Grumpy, we know you aren't fun, but come out and see us and play in the sun. We got a room waiting, so please come if you can. Sign nephew, Baba, Mama, and Farmer Man Man. Here's my ticket to jump on the bus. I'm gonna do it right now and I won't make a fuss. The man punched my ticket and I'm leaving just now. My next stop is Heppisburg, land of the cows. Cows look funny, but they sure taste good. That bus ride was long, we rode for hours and hours. That's when Grumpy's mood started to sour. My seat is too hard and I really want to say I hate this bus, I hate it all day. We reach the next stop and the passenger shout up, Grumpy, you're miserable, you gotta get out. We all ended up in your sauerkraut mood, now get off our bus, you Grumpy old dude. We reach the next stop. And the passengers shout, Uncle Grumpy, you're miserable, and you have to get out. Uncle Grumpy, it's me, your nephew, Bubba Bee Bump. I've been waiting for you on this old tree stump. I couldn't be happier now that you're here, shouted Bubba Bee Bump with a big cheer. Yay! Now come with me and I'll show you your room. You love it so much you sleep until noon. Isn't this great? Your room has a view. Through the window you can see something new. Uncle Grumpy come down on a farm. Old man Grumpy in the big red barn. You can see all the cows and all the horseplay. You can see critters eat worm, pigs slopping hay. Now looky here, whoops. You close stacked up and neat, it's so far away from my eyes. A pair of work boots right there to wear on your feet. Yeah, wear this straw hat when you walk out the door. I bought it for you and I went to the store. 1 times 7 equals. Now it's time to pitch in and do our farm chores. We'll feed all the animals and then do some more. How I could lose my place when there's only 3 chords, I'll never know. Uncle Grumpy new and fresh from the city will make the simple go feed the kitties. So we fed all the animals from the cows to the hen, the horses and dogs, the pigs in the pen. The thing about 3 chords are mathematically, you could just, and then you can't figure it out without a calculator. Uncle Grumpy come down on the farm, old man Grumpy in the big red barn. About time to go get some popcorn. I'll just strum for a while. Go on. Are you back yet? We worked and worked from morning till night. I went straight to bed and I turned off my light. What was that noise? Was that a bat in my side? I can't sleep awake, I can't say goodnight. Oh, it's morning already, I feel like lead. I got a crook in my neck and my eyes are all red. Bubba, tell me what more can I take? I feel like a failure, my feet are still ache. That chores are no good, I can't earn my keep. I can't fix a tractor, I can't shear a sheep. So I'll plan my escape, prepare to take flight. I'm gonna pack up my stuff, I'm gonna leave at midnight. Oh Knuckle Grumpy, you can't make that trip. Leaving me now, who's so cool and hip. It's just that I like you, what more can I say? You're my friend, Uncle Grumpy, won't you please stay? Whew, this song's really wearing me out. I think I'll just pick the chorus thing here. Bubba, stop. I feel warm and fuzzy inside. I'm starting to like this. I can't hide. Well, it could be worse. I'm smiling outside. Whew. It's a hot one today. A lot of landlords have got to be sweaty. Please do something, Bubba. I'm quite petrified. Hey, Uncle Grumpy, there was a smile on your face and he's grinning that you can't erase. Whoa, no, little Bubba, I never ever smile. At least I'm sure it's been quite a while. If I grin again, I'll just have to go. Smiling's the problem, I just act outroll. Let's do that again. Oh no, Uncle Grumpy, whatever you say, I know how hard you do what to stay. That's not very good either. Maybe I better take a break and go get some popcorn. Here's Mama. She comes out. She says, supper's ready, so come on in and wash your hands. And wash away those grumpy books if you can. Bubba says, we got no choice. We got a frown. I don't want Uncle Grumpy to move back to town. Neither does anyone else, especially the people in the building that he lived in, because he was really hard to get along with. Go back to town. You'll stay here, Uncle Grumpy. Now, please eat your dinner before it gets lumpy. Our secret is safe and you'll never see that Uncle Grumpy smiles only at me. And another thing is, I don't like it when I don't have total control over the TV set. Even when I'm not watching, leave it alone. I always turn the color to black and white. Now that's how TV's supposed to be, black and white. Brown underwear, you know what that's good for? It's good for... Uncle Grumpy lying down on the farm, old man Grumpy in a big red